Who would win in a fight, Vecna or Pennywise?
I actually think that Vecna would destroy Pennywise just based on the fact that like Pennywise is like the most insecure monster of all